Today I'm going to show you, which not really, but I'm going to teach you some cool tricks with, wait for it, sorry, fly. And it's very, very stretchy, as you can see. Look at that glitter. It's very, very cool. And it actually has glitter. I'm not sure if you can see, but look at that. And it's very stretchy. See, look. It goes up to here, all the way to there. See, look. It's like it's the size of my arm. See, look. Okay, that went crazy. So it's very cool. And then, if you ever want to know what's inside of slime, then it breaks. This is what inside of my slime. See, look. It breaks, and it throws glitter all over the place. And that's what's inside of it. Okay. So, this is very stretchy. Okay. And it smells really bad, so do not try to smell slime at home. Warning, don't try to smell slime. It can't kill you, but just don't smell it. It's really bad. It smells like glue. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells like really weird. Here. Sure. I'll tell. There's a fly on the thing I'm thinking with. There's a fly on the tablet. Okay, so the first thing you do is like roll it up to the ball and just throw it at the window. Don't do that. So I'm gonna show you some signatures for the yearbook because I did not buy a yearbook, so people had to sign my paper. So I have Cam, 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 and then I have Ava all over the place. She's my friend. You know what? That's boring. Screw you. Okay, so let's see what happens when you staple slime. So wait, sorry. Staple. I'm gonna make it very, very flat, like about this flat. And the staple. Well, it doesn't do anything. All it does, it does. Now I'm gonna try to get it out. This is the stapler. So screw. Okay. What else? What? Just that. Okay, just kidding. No. It's very stretchy, and it gets up like to that side of the room, like all the way to that side. And it's very, very stretchy. And I like this color because it's like really like a nice like blue sparkly. And shout out to my sister for making me this slime. So shout out to you, and comment down below if you like slime or not. If you don't, if you can't answer that, because if you can't answer that because you don't have slime, then guess what? Comment down below what's your favorite color of. Comment down below what's gonna be your color when you get slime. The ones that you don't have slime. So subscribe. So subscribe and smash and go smash that like button. And please, cause this is my second video. So bye.